Hello all and welcome to video series on C# 3.0. We'll discuss about next feature, that is anonymous type. So let's jump to the code to understand this feature. Now here we have a simple console application. If you look at the Solution Explorer, we don't have any class except this program class. Now we want to create an object to store some details about the product, or maybe I want to store information about the employee. So what generally we do is we create a class and then we create object and we initialize the properties. C# 3.0 allows you to create an object without creating the type explicitly. So this feature is anonymous type. So anonymous type, as name says, it is a type or it is a class without any name, and this class can contain read-only properties. So how you create anonymous type? So anonymous type is created using new keyword along with object initializer, and we use var keyword to hold the reference of anonymous type. Let us create an object to store details about the product. So I'll say var prod equal to new. Now this class will be created on the fly by the compiler. So we don't know the name, so we'll skip this name and we'll use object initializer to initialize the properties. So you can use any properties. So these properties are related to product, so we'll use product ID. We'll use product name. And I want price. Say price is something like this. So we have created an object, but we don't have this type. So this type will be created on the fly by compiler. We are using var to hold the reference of this type. So let us print the details. Now you can see here we have all the details available. Okay, so if you run the code, you'll find all the values are printed. Now similarly, I want to store details about the employee, but we don't have employee class. So let us create an object. Now this class is generated by compiler on the fly. So let's just define the properties. Employee number, employee name, and let us say department. That's all. Now here you can see we have not defined any classes. These classes are generated by compiler on the fly. So we don't know the name, that's why we are using var. So compiler will insert the name in place of var. If you take cursor on the object, you can see it is a local variable a product. So a is for anonymous type. So we have these three properties: product ID, product name, and price. The data type is string, string, and double. Similar to that, if you go to the next object, here emp is object of anonymous type and contains properties like number, name, and department of int, string, and string type. So these properties are read only. So if you try to change some values of the properties, so if I say marketing, so this gives me the error. Department cannot be assigned to as it is read only. So anonymous type contains read only properties. Also, anonymous type cannot have other members like fields, methods, or events, etc. So I hope this feature is clear. So anonymous type is a type or it is a class that does not have any name and it contains public read only properties. It cannot contain other members like field, methods, or events. C# 3.0 enables you to create an object without defining its class. So compiler will generate this class on the fly. Syntax of creating anonymous type: we use new keyword along with object initializer syntax, and we use var keyword to hold the reference of. So I hope this is clear. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.